welcome back to a new vlog. How is everyone doing today? All I know is that I am bloody freezing. Okay, I had to go down to get these because in France it's Epiphanie, and I think it's Epiphanie, and they do galette des rois, and it's the best thing ever. It's like a puff pastry with like frangipane inside. I don't even know how I'm saying, if I'm saying that right, but I was actually supposed to go get this in Central, but trains were really bad, so I didn't end up going, and I had ordered it for collection, so I ended up losing out on it, which we were so bad about. Ordered it on Uber Eats, and it's literally warm. And so, but also like you get a little like ceramic statue in there. You have the crown, and you put the crown in, and like you're the king of the day. Ooh. This is why I'm most of the day, to be honest. Reading the news, and it's actually crazy like what's happening in LA right now. Honestly, like it literally feels like it's from a horror show, and all the people losing their homes. Like it's literally just like, it looks, from what I can see on social media and like on the news, like everything's just burned. There's like, it looks like there's nothing left. It's a bit scary. It's a bit scary because you think about like global warming and stuff, but then you have a president that says drill, baby, drill. He's all for the oil. He just doesn't really take climate risk seriously, and yet the country is burning. Like literally my heart goes out to all the people that have lost like their homes and are having to evacuate. Like I can't imagine. I was talking about this with my friend the other day. We were just saying how like we really like Yorkshire tea because they're like the strongest. I don't even like PG anymore, like PG tips. I always felt like I had to put more tea bags to get the strong tea flavour. But ever since I got Yorkshire tea, it's really nice. And then she was saying the same thing. So what tea do you have at home? Like, is there any other good? Also, if you haven't tried the Yorkshire milk biscuit one, it literally tastes like tea with milk biscuits in it. It's really nice. And then we were both raving about it. Like I feel like tea tastes, we're both the same. Watching Traitors. So many people have told me to watch this show, and it is a bit addicting. It's basically you enter a game, some people are faithful, some get chosen as traitors, but nobody knows who the traitors are. So you kind of have to guess who's the traitor in the group. So if you're a traitor, you have to kind of like act like you're not a traitor. It's so funny when someone gets eliminated and it's not a traitor. The acting that they have to do, all the crying, the fake tears. I mean, I could probably fake cry maybe. I just feel like you'd see on my face that I was a traitor. You don't even need to see me, hear me talk or anything. Just making some gravy. I hope you guys have been watching it, but let me know in a comment. I found like the sisters, they were like kind of funny, but I feel like Armani was just doing a bit too much. Like it was I don't know if it's because we know like who the traitors are, but like it was a bit obvious, like doing way too much. This is dinner. I'm gonna let hubby put his gravy. Chicken, potatoes, bit of stuffing. Yum! Right, we're gonna go have lunch with my sister. I'm gonna have Chinese or something, I don't know. Yeah, I look so tired. It's so cold, guys. To think that I was in 30-degree weather a couple of weeks ago, and now we're in this minus, I don't even know what. My sister approves of the duck. I don't know if I like this though, like the square pot. I'm a bit sick of it. Yeah, I still have it, but I wear it so much I almost got a hole. Oh yeah, that's mine. Yeah, mine's got a hole as well. I have it. The vlog. Oh.